Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to write JavaScript code for homework assignments and debugging. Before we begin, you will need to have an account on OpenAI website and navigate to the Chat section. Step 1. In the chat box, type in a prompt that describes the assignment you need help with. For example, I need help with a JavaScript function that takes in an array of numbers and returns the sum. Step 2. Press enter and let ChatGPT generate the code for you. You will see the generated code in the chat box. Take the time to read through the code and make sure it meets the requirements of your assignment. Step 3. Review the code generated by ChatGPT. You can ask for more specific examples or modifications if needed. For example, you can ask for a specific sorting algorithm to be used, or for the function to handle edge cases. Step 4. Once you are satisfied with the generated code, you can copy and paste it into your homework assignment and submit it. But what if you encounter an error or a bug in your code after you've already submitted it? Don't worry, you can still use ChatGPT to help you debug your code. Step 5. In the chat box, type in a prompt describing the error or the problem you're facing. For example, I'm getting a type error, cannot read property of undefined, when I run this function. Step 6. Press enter and let ChatGPT generate suggestions for fixing the issue. Take the time to read through the suggestions and implement the ones that make sense for your code. Here are some examples of prompts you can use to get help with your JavaScript homework assignments. 1. I need help creating a JavaScript function that takes in a string and returns the number of vowels in it. 2. I need help writing a JavaScript program that finds the largest number in an array of numbers. 3. I need help creating a JavaScript function that takes in two strings and checks if they are anagrams of each other. And here are some examples of prompts you can use to help debug your JavaScript code. 1. I'm getting an error, cannot read property of undefined, when I run this function. 2. I need help figuring out why my loop isn't exiting when the condition is met. 3. I need help understanding why my program is returning the wrong output. Hope this tutorial helps you in using ChatGPT to write JavaScript code for your homework assignments and debugging your code. With ChatGPT, you can get help with your coding assignments and debug your code quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on learning and growing as a developer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy coding!